Right now we are in Chinatown, and that tower you see on top is the Merdeka, second tallest tower in the world. Merdeka 118. Okay, it's a very interesting place. Let's enter, Mama. Oh, daming mga mga nakasabit. Oh, ang ganda ng Merdeka, oh. Imagine, Burj Khalifa is the tallest, and that is the second tallest, which is here in Kuala Lumpur, and you can see it well if you go to Chinatown. Okay, let's start to exercise again and walk with Mama Berna. Wow, ang ganda naman pala rito. Very artistic. Ang ganda pala rito, oh. Oh, ang gigit ng mga dalawang bata, oh. Oh, they're so cute. Ganda naman to lugar na to, no? Ha? It's really a tourist spot, and we haven't been to the center of Chinatown yet. This is nice. Very nice. Oh, Berna, ikaw rin. Pagkatapos niya, gusto mo? Berna naman, yan. Galing, ano? Oh, nakatingin ka sa kanya? Okay. Alright, nice. Okay. Dito naman. Yan. Okay. Ganda, ano? Ganda. Oh, smile. May mga drawings, ano? Ha? Ayun. Oh, tayong dalawa rin. Oh, gusto mo rin, Berna? Oh. Kunan lang kunan ko. Yun, oh, nakupo ka doon, oh. Gusto mo, Berna? It's Berna's turn. Okay. Baka hindi pa siya tapos selfie, eh, oh. Umupo pa siya, eh, oh. Oh, yan. Ikaw na. Oh, ikaw na. Okay. Smile. Okay. O dyan ka naman. Kunyari, tumatalong ka. Kunyari lang, oh. Sige. Talong ka lang. Talong ka lang ng konti. Yan. Sige. Okay. Ayaw mo tumalon, no? Sige. Posing ka na lang. Okay. Yeah, smile. Okay. Okay, I notice mahilig sila magpinta sa mga walls dito. Ayan, no? Parang parang anong tawag doon? Pero artistic naman mga pinta nila. It's very interesting. They just love to paint the walls. Yun, across the Vernon Street. Oh, what a nice view of the Merdeka. Ganda. The second tallest building in the world. That's the street, Jalan Petaling. You'll be in Chinatown. Oh, wow, my God, I want to eat again. Sarap ng amoy ng pagkain niya. So again, that's the Jalan Petaling, which you can see actually the tallest tower here in Kuala Lumpur. And if you look here, you're already in Chinatown. Yeah, galing. Chinatown, Jalan Petaling Street. All right, let's enter. Berna looks very tired. You look so tired, Madam Berna. Okay, let's walk. And what time is it? 4 o'clock. Okay. Dapat pala pupunta ka rito mga 6 o'clock para wala masyadong init. Yun nga lang, sarado na. Ayun ba yun? Sarado na. Ang galing talaga ng lugar ng Singapore and Kuala Lumpur, no? Meron silang mga, like in Singapore, meron silang Arab market, Arab street, Little India. Dito walang Arab street, no? Pero meron siyang Little India at saka meron siyang Chinatown. Nagtatanong si Berna kung magkano ang foot massage while I'll be waiting here outside. Yes, Berna likes foot massage. That's why she loves going to places like Bangkok, Thailand, where there's a lot of foot massage there. And it's very cheap. Ano, magkano? 98? Mas mahal. Hindi, dun sa Jalan kahapon, nag-inquire ka, 50 ringgit lang. Ngayon, mas mahal. Mahal pa lang foot massage dito sa Chinatown. No? Hindi kasi masyadong sikat ang foot massage dito eh. Kung Chinatown to, Berna, nasaan na yung mga pagkain na Chinese food? Wala pa ako nakikita. Daming gusto mamili, no? Okay, let's go around, Berna. Oh, haba pala nito. Walang katapusan palang lakad rito, which is, well, it's supposed to be good for me because with Berna Baron, I need to keep on walking and it's really good exercise instead of just staying in the house, lying down. This is much better because you're seeing so many things. And sa mga kaibigan ko, mga senior citizen, it's really very bad to be just sitting down or lying down. Better you travel doon lang sa airport. Mahaba na yung lakaran. Yes, daming lakaran. At least may exercise ka to have a longer life. Well, ako naman hanggang tingin-tingin lang. No really no reason to buy and just observe. Pero wala akong nakikitang ano rito, mga Chinese restaurants. Nasa kaya mga Chinese restaurants? Halos nasa dulo na tayo. Wala pa ako nakitang Chinese restaurant. Okay, so we're almost at the end of Jalan Petaling. Smile, dito, tingin. Dito. Okay, smile. All right. Ayos. Sanay na mag-smile si Berna Baron. Okay. Jalan Petaling Street. All right. This is the Chinatown here in Kuala Lumpur.